Now before you do another thing, you need to stop and watch this video. It's absolutely critical, and here's why. Now that mobile banking platform account that we're going to create for you is an FDIC insured bank account, just like if you went to any bank and said, I'd like to open up an account. Now during the registration of your mobile bank account, you're going to go through a virtual verification process. Remember, this is for your security, and the reason behind the verification is to prove that you are who you say you are. So that means that you have to use your own personal social security number, and the information about yourself has to be accurate. It has to be just like you would see it in your social security records or on your driver's license. That information has to match. And the other thing is that you're creating a personal bank account, not a business bank account. So if you wanted to sign up using an LLC or a corp, you can't do that during this sign up process. So if you don't add the accurate information, or you get flagged for your details not matching up with the verification process that they take you through, then you're going to have to go through a manual process. So with that, you'll have to fax in the appropriate identification information, and you won't be able to complete the registration process until you get manually verified by the bank. So take your time, double check, make sure you get all the information accurate. The other thing that's really important is that you use your actual physical address. Now a number of you may use P.O. boxes because you can't have mail delivered to your actual physical address. If you use a P.O. box or a different address and you want your card shipped to that address, on the next page that we cover, you'll enter your shipping address there and your card will be shipped to the address that you give there. The second part of the sign-up process is now in the mobile money banking platform. So all of your information will be pulled over. First thing we want to do is add the password when we get to this page. And the things that I want to point out here right away is, first of all, if you do need a different address for sending your card to, you simply uncheck that box, fill in your information here, and your card will be shipped to this appropriate address that you give here. Now, the CAPTCHA is basically, again, so that we can protect you. So you fill in this information, and if you can't read this part of the code, then you simply click show a different one, and it'll refresh and give you a different one. So we simply type in the code and click continue. Then we get to the confirmation page. You can choose to print out this document and save this in a safe place because it has details pertaining to your mobile money bank account, or you can select this option right here, which will create a PDF document. Once you save the document, then you simply click continue. And now we're going to activate your mobile money account. So we click continue the setup process for activating that. Now at this point, all you have to do is call this number right here. We're going to record your voice, which again is part of the safety factors that's built into it. Listen to simple voice prompts, record your name, and you're done. Then click continue. If you've already created your account and activated it through mobile money, then you just click this. Okay, now on this page, you're going to have a number of options that you can change as far as the settings, features, and functions that are built into your system and that work both with your phone and or this web presence portal that you'll have. So if you want to change any of those, you can, and once you've made your settings and changes, you simply click update your settings and continue. But you don't have to change anything. We're simply showing you that these are some of the options that are available. Once you've made your changes, or even if you don't, you simply click update settings and continue on to the next step. And that completes the sign up process for both WaveTen and your mobile money bank account.